Northwest St. Elizabeth go broke grounds for water project? Why is it that you have a long time picture, Andrew, a display, say you go turn on what? Them your picture you know yesterday picture, Andrew. I tell you, say the government here is a deceptive lie, them thief, criminal enterprise. Huh? You go upon the people, them property, go say you go turn on water. Take picture now. In a particular clothes where you go there, what make you post up long time picture? Another deception. Me tired in Jamaica. I'm tired. Jamaica, I am tired. I am tired. You go there figure break grounds. Say you go turn on water. For the third time in decades. You go there 2008 under Bruce. You go there in 2016 when you win. And here you are 2025. So every election cycle, you go up there in a Northwest St. Elizabeth, go promise the people them, and the two fenke them up, they still a vote for you. Huh? Help me make it make sense, no Jamaicans. So you go up there, go break grounds yesterday, all right. But Anju, why post picture from yesteryears? If you go there yesterday, go break grounds, put up the picture yesterday where show say you do the groundbreaking. No, why make you put up long time picture for deceive the people them, for make it look like say water? Look here, no, me tired, you know, Jamaica, I'm tired. I am tired, Jamaica. I am tired. I am. In addition, before me even open the phone lines, wanna see how them can bash me? Wanna see how them people here can bash me, Jamaica? They love bash me, you know. Remember me come out, come tell Jamaica who me is, love me or hate me, people still respect me. But we never know, say, Anju government collect billions of dollars from US aid to promote the LGBT community. So how the labor rights them want distance themselves from the Batty community? Hey, Jesus help me, Father God, in the morning here. See the Gleaner report say the money where US send Kongi Anju government, them use it to do more things, is not only to help the gays and lesbians here. So how the labor rights them want distance themselves from the gay community here in this country? See them admit it, say America send money Kongi Anju administration. If the Trump government never bail out and say, listen, something I figure stop your saying because we are send millions of dollars go give Jamaica and we now see them, what them are take the money, what it was intended to do, and I do them financial campaign for elections, amongst other things. But that is not even the issue, you know. The main issue is how the labor rights them can come on platform and bash Dre Bryan and bash the PNP and say the PNP this and that. Then me could have be a labor right. I have to support the People's National Party, whether gay, straight, not. Look, you can do the work, give the people them the work. We don't business about a man and him lifestyle and nothing where him have to do with him personal life. A man qualify for the job, give the man the job. But I don't understand how the Jamaica Labour Party and those who support Anju Holness, every day them dey on internet. The this one, the gay Brian, they did, I saw them bring me down, you know. But little did we know that Anju Michael Holness, the leader of the Jamaica Labour Party, has been receiving money from the United States to look after the gay community here. And let me say it, see it here. See the former ambassador from the United States. I say, We do other things with the money, man. We not and only promote the gays here in Jamaica. We use the money to do other things. And I mean, society here more than gay rights. So all the labor rights them depend on them platform. And I burn out the PNP and say the PNP this and the PNP that. Yes, the PNP welcome everybody in a them party. So what? You want to, so we naive, you know, said them no over the Labour Party too. We knew all along. But we just want to show the hypocrisy within the Labour. The PNP can acknowledge, yes, we not hide. We respect everybody over here in the PNP. But why the Labour rights them want distance them? Say, remember the young man, Andre Stevens, come out and say Warmington ejaculate on him foot. God the man yard for write him speech. And the man get heated when him see Andre Stevens and ejaculate. Remember I know we say so, you know. I know we say it. It is alleged other persons in the jail. I don't want to bash the community. It's a community I love and respect. But seem like how the PNP can have a level of thinking to respect each other. Why the Jamaica Labour Party want distance themselves like gays and lesbians no enough for them party too? I saw no dance. Well, see, tell true. You see, my mother always say, one not happening in a day, we happening in a year. See how the tell truth can come, you know. See the government of Anju only admit it, say yes, we collect money from the United States to promote the gays and lesbians in this country. See it here in front of you know. Me telling you, say the labor rights them, you know, then I don't know how them are going to manage Panda campaign, you know. I don't know how them are going to campaign. Yes! Jamaica in focus, then collect the money from America to help the gays and lesbians, and instead them help the people them. The money goes straight into the consolidated fund. Set aside for them campaign. We just are showing we know Jamaica. So we not tell no lie upon them. See it here in the Glee night there this morning. More than gay rights. The man come out to justify. So when America send money come here, yes, we use it to help the gays and lesbians and promote the agenda of acceptance. But the PNP accept people for who them is. All along, you know, we accept people for who they are. Just don't disrespect nobody. Just like how people there, they respect me. Me respect everybody until you show yourself.
I go from bad to worse. It I go from bad to worse. From the day me know myself and me have what me never mark a hex or JLP, you know. Me now, and if me feel live and all when me spirit dead, me now mark a hex.
It's worse than 80. It's worse than 80.
No man. No man. Anju and him 40 thief them a go on bad man. And then
anyway, tell him say man back at him.
He have Warmington back at him and tell him foolishness. A stupidness them a go on. What they miss them go do a house in my community where they give this girl the land, you know. The house and the house is a lease and sale, then put the land on. So when them put the house on the lease and sale and the people them and she not ready now and she go live in it, she and her kids them live in it. So if she pass and gone, them go take the people them land.
Exactly.
Them go take the people them land. Man, them listen, Jay, this is something I go from bad to worse.
It hurt a lot of persons. So
you go ask me if it's my land.
All right,
Colleen. And me go sign paper.
Colleen. All right, make me show you our vibes. All right, them say the land is your land. All right, so you have one piece of land, but you don't really have the money to start a foundation to make the house, right? You apply to them to get the house, and then build the house for you on your land. It's an indigent house. Them say you're poor, but you God bless you with a piece of land, and then put on the house on the land. Desmond Mackenzie come say if your eye should shut a man in, the house return to the government. But what happened to your land?
Let me ask you, Jay. That's the reason. That's what I'm asking you. What? All right. My father died and my mother died and then left an heritage give me as a piece of land, right?
Yes.
And me have my sister them, my siblings them, and everybody. Me have my kids them, and me have brother and sister. And it happened that we don't have nowhere to live, but we have the land.
Yes.
And them come in and say, we write to them and then come and give a house. So me dead and gone because I me apply for the house and me get the house and me dead and gone. Me have my brother, me have my sister, them, me have my children, them. So them go come in and come take my heritage where my father and my mother dead left give me. And me have my sister and brother them. So how then when me dead and gone, so my sister and brother them all just make them come take where for we living, for we heritage, where for we parents dead and left.
Cannot work.
No, Jay. No,
Cannot
Jay.
work.
I don't think you're here right, Jay. I don't think this is right. Me not think this is right.
Me I go I'm gonna play a clip. I'm going to play a clip for everybody to hear. Right? So just pause for a moment and listen this clip, everybody. Listen.
Hear what Desmond Mackenzie say out of him own mouth when he was interviewed. You hear what the man say? You have to have your own land. You have to have your own land for the unit built. So Cliff, yours. Stop spread misinformation. Stop it. Because we are go by where Desmond Mackenzie say. You understand me? Stop it. It is wrong. It is unacceptable. And me I call upon the PNP. Me I call upon Mark Golding. Me I call upon Uno need to do something about this. Uno need to do something about this because people out here have believed this mouthpiece and it is wrong. It is unacceptable.
You hear that? Cliff are work in favor of the government.
Oh, Jesus.
But when jeopardy in our country.
One thing me know, Jay, before me come down that somebody else can get the space.
Yes.
One thing me know, if me have my little piece of land where God bless me with, and me build my and me apply for the house and then build it on it, no government can take it. No government can take me land. You see, if they want the house, they can take up back the house of the land and go on with it, or then pay me for the spot where the house there.
That is it. That is it.
I'm done. Yeah, pay me for the spot where house there, I'm done, Jay.
All right, Carlene. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Carlene. Boy, me I tell you.
I mean, no.
Uncle, all right, Uncle Sydney, morning.
Morning. Two things me have to say, Sir J.
Yes.
Last night, I told me never have a next phone, Last night, the Prime Minister come out for one interview there. Like the man hear me, The man come out and say the people them house are feed them. I like him never tell me what he say the house I no feed them.
Yes.
That the man come out and say no plain last that me see one clip, He mean I want white shirt like and sit down and then have him. I say him say the house I feed no tell the people them say the house I feed him. And the man never says in the first place,
Yeah, but Uncle Sydney,
yes.
What we're trying to let the public know, right?
Yes.
The house is the house is not. Listen, Anju a backpedal and a backtrack.
Yes.
That is not what they said initially, and that is the reason. And that is the reason why the clip is no longer available. If you did not speak the truth, why you take down the clip from social media? Them remove it.
But we have the clip can play,
Exactly, but what I'm saying, right? You have your piece of land where your parents dead and left give you as a child.
Yes.
But you have the money to start your foundation to put up one room.
Right.
So you apply to the poor relief and them come and they say, do you have your land XYZ? And you say, yes, you give them. And they make the house on top of your land. Desmond Mackenzie say, if your eye should shut a morning, the house return to the government. But a your land, the house depend. So what become of your land?
And they never say them build for no government land in first place. None of the house them build for government land. I lie them a tell.
Exactly.
He say you happy have your land. He say you happy. It two party like what them said. Then the two sides say you happy have your land, or you have a receipt which say somebody lease you or somebody you happy have that first.
Exactly.
No government land never in place. So them two lie and wicked. And me say one thing, me glad for this media, me glad with PJ Patterson and Philip Palwell, when bringing them things where we can hold them in and word of mouth, we can play back and we have them mouth and what man says so. You make glad for them too. I tell you, me glad for them, man. See? I'm not tell you, say, the man, me say, you come like true, me say, no, put up the man, pan want it Wednesday, no, man. The man come out, somebody was send it, come show you. The man come out, come say, boy, right now, the house are for them. So people, you know, the man said the house are full, no, at the prime minister, me attack, no, you know, the prime minister, one they say are for him. The man said the house are full, no, so you can go ahead and will it too, now will it too. You know, can hard on, can me hear him say so last night, man, the clip, said the house are full, no, and he never said the house is not full, no. So you can't do anything you don't feel like. If a phone you can't do anything you don't feel like with it. That's what him said last night. Somebody else send the clip come give you, you know.
Yes.
Somebody else send it. Next thing again, you know. Everywhere me go, they call me Batty man. They call me this. They call me that.
True.
Then cause you then do all sorts of things, then call me all sorts of things. Mr. Brethren, I don't believe nobody lifestyle. I just pick them me I talk about say the hand I use pick them. Big people just like if you take a little girl and trouble and you're in a trouble. But if you're big and hard, you can't do nobody business, you know, so long and all right?